Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photos and videos on Oppo phones. So to do this, you just need to go to My Files, open it, and after that, if you want to hide the photo, you just go to Photos. And after that, go to the photo that you want to hide. Long press on it, and after that, click on the three dots on the bottom of the screen and click on Set as Private, and it will be moved to the private save. And also for videos, it's the same thing. You can go to video, any video that you want, and long press on it like this. After that, click on the three dots on the bottom of the screen and click on Set as Private. And after a few seconds, as you can see, it's added to private save. And now no one can have access to it, only if he have access to your private save on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.